extremely heavy snow. I mean, visibilities are now about 1/10 of a mile with very heavy snow. Visibilities are so bad now, I can't even see a block away. This snow band, this is the coastal front that's now setting up. We now have extremely heavy snow. We already have 3 inches on the ground. I mean, my next report is going to be when it's going to be 6 inches, but oh boy, I mean, this is some very heavy snow now. How much? We already have up 3 inches, close to 3 inches now on the ground with very heavy snow. This is the heaviest it's been throughout the entire storm, and there's even heavier snow band setting up to the south and west right now. This is courtesy of the coastal front that's setting up. We already have 3 inches, yeah. Just in 20 minutes, we accumulated about 2 inches. This is incredible. Let me see how much is on the car. Approximately 3 inches already. Yeah, even the high-resolution rapid refresh didn't predict it was going to get this bad. Yeah, this is some very heavy snow now coming in. You have approximately 3 inches, close to 3 inches on the ground now. Problem with the cars is that the wind's been blowing some of the snow away. So the best place to check is like the back of the cars. That's where, yeah, it's about 3 inches now. I'm gonna check. Yep, we now have 3 inches with almost no visibility. Very, very heavy snow. I just looked on the radar. I thought this was gonna like not really reach the ground, but apparently it is. Type of snow that we're getting is consistent with temperatures around 20 degrees. So we're definitely going to have a 20-to-1 snowfall water ratio. We have dendrites. We have dendrites coming down. So this snow is definitely the type that will lead to high snowfall water ratio. So this high snowfall water ratio type snow. This is definitely, the powdery snow. You can't make snowballs with this kind of snow. Yeah, we have dendrites, actually. Yeah, this is definitely heavy snow. We have extremely heavy snow with near zero visibilities. Thank you for watching. Bye.